Before dismantling an intercooler, one wrong step can cause serious damage. This process saves time and money. In this video, I will show you the correct intercooler acid circulation and safe dismantling process. Proper acid circulation removes heavy scale, ensure smooth dismantling, prevent copper and brass damage, and avoid costly repair. Before dismantling the intercooler, acid circulation is very important. First, fill the fresh water into the acid tank. Connect the chemical pump suction directly to the tank. Use the reverse circulation method. Connect the intercooler outlet port to the pump inlet. Tight the plunge bolts. Connect the intercooler inlet pipe back to the tank. After inlet and outlet pipeline connections are connected, start the pump and run it for 10 minutes. Check for any leakage and confirm that water suction and delivery flow are normal. After confirming everything is okay, pour orthophosphoric acid into the tank. Orthophosphoric acid is a scale removal and is safe for copper and brass material. The recommended acid to water ratio is 1:15. That means 1 liter of orthophosphoric acid for 50 liters of water. In this case, acid circulation is 8 liters of orthophosphoric acid is poured into the 400-liter tank of water. Allow the acid to circulate for 2 to 4 hours depending on the scale condition. If the scale is heavy, increase the circulation time. During the circulation, you will notice bubble formation in the tank which indicates scale removed. After completing the cycle, stop the circulation pump. Disconnect the intercooler inlet and outlet pipes. Both the intercooler inlet and outlet pipes connections are disconnected. Check the intercooler lifting bolt threads to ensure they are in good condition. All four bolts are checked in threads are in good condition. Now take a jack puller frame that matches the intercooler lifting bolt holes. Match the intercooler lifting bolts. Ensure the puller frame is properly seated. After the puller frame is properly seated, tighten all lifting bolts nuts with washer and lock them to the puller frame. Puller frame all four bolts are tightened. By using spanner, tighten the all four lifting nuts. Once all nuts are tightened, tighten the puller frame jacking bolts. At the same time, keep the opposite side support with a crane. As the jacking bolts are tightened, the intercooler moves upward and the casing moves downward. The intercooler is now safely removed from the casing. Continuously tighten the jack bolts in opposite direction. To lift the crane, remove the cooler in the casing outside. intercooler is removed the outside in the casing. To down the intercooler. After intercooler is removed in the casing, see the casing downside moisture separator. After removal, unscrew the lifting nuts and take out the puller frame from the intercooler. Finally, remove the moisture separator filter. Take out the cooler from the casing. After removing the moisture separator filter, remove the intercooler sheet. Remove the intercooler sheet. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more practical maintenance tips.